Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss standard deviation under continuous series with the help of direct method. Dear students, under continuous series we will also find out standard deviation with the help of direct, shortcut or step deviation method. So today we are discuss direct method. First of all, recognition of continuous series. In this series given is class interval or frequency. So dear students, first of all we will find out mid value. After that, in direct method we will find out mean and the deviation take with actual mean, and after that apply the formula and then question will be solved out. Clear beta? See, find standard deviation with the direct method under continuous series. So class interval or frequency is given under continuous series. We will find out standard deviation with the help of direct, shortcut or step deviation method. The formula of direct method standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square divided by n. That's your question is given. Class interval or frequency is given. So under this question, first of all we will find out mid value. The formula L1 plus L2 divided by 2. L1 that's your lower limit 0. L2 upper limit 2. So 2 plus 0, 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1. And the difference will 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9 or 2, 11. Clear? After that we will find out FM. So dear students, you will multiply frequency with mid value. 2 1 is 2, 4 3 is 12, 6 5 is 30, 7 4 is 28, 9 2 is 28, 9 2 is 18, 9 2 is 18 or 11 6 is 66. That's your summation of FM. 2 2 4, 4 8, 12, 8 20, 6 26. Carry 2, 2 1 3, 3 6, 3 9, 6 15. That's our 156 summation FM. After that we will find out mean. X bar is equal to summation FM divided by n. And that's your sum of frequency. 4 6 10, 10 to 12 4 6, 4 16, 18, 6 24. So x bar is equal to summation FM 156 divided by n 24. So x bar is equal to 6.5. That's mean. Clear? See once again, class interval frequency given. First of all we will find out mid value. L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 will be equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. And the difference will come in 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 2, 11. After that we will find out FM. So that's your F and that's your M. 2 1 is 2, 4 3 is 12, 6 5 is 30, 4 7 is 28, 2 9 is 18, 6 11, 11 6 is 66. And that's your summation FM. We will find mean. X bar is equal to summation FM divided by n. X bar is equal to summation FM 156 divided by n 24. Mean 6.5. Dear students, after that we will take deviation dx. The formula x minus x bar. X that's your mid value. 1 minus 6.5 equal to minus 5.5. 3 minus 6.5 equal to minus 3.5. 5 minus 6.5 equal to minus 1.5. 7 minus 6.5 equal to plus 0.5. 9 minus 6.5 equal to plus 2.5. Next one, 11 minus 6.5 equal to plus 4.5 dx. After that we will find out dx square. 5.5 multiply with 5.5, so that's your 30.25. Clear? 3.5 square 12.25. 1.5 square 2.25. 0.5 square 0.25. 2.5 square 6.25, or 4.5 square 20.25. After that we will find out f dx square. So dx square you will multiply with frequency. That's your 2 into 30.25 will be equal to 60.50. 12.5 into 4 is equal to 49. 2.25 multiply with 6 equal to 13.50. 0.25 multiply with 4, so that's your 1. 6.25 multiply with 2, 12.50. 20.25 multiply with 6, 121.50. That's a summation f dx square is equal to 258. 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 0. 2, 9 to 11, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 8, 1 carry, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 1, 1, 1, 2. Clear? After that we will apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square divided by n. So standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square, that's your 258 divided by n, 24. So standard deviation is equal to under root 258 divided by 24 will be equal to 10.75. So standard deviation is equal to 10.75, root will equal to 3.28. That's your answer. Clear beta? So first of all you will find out mean. After that you will take deviation with mean. After that dx square. After that, dx square multiply with frequency, that's f dx square. You will add all of them, that's your summation f dx square. And after that you will apply the formula standard deviation is equal to under root summation f dx square divided by n. Summation f dx square 258 divided by n 24. 258 divided by 24 will be equal to 10.75. So standard deviation is equal to 10.75, root will be equal to 3.28. Clear beta? That's your calculating method of a standard deviation with the help of direct method. Clear? So you will prepare it. I am sending some questions to you and you will solve out all the questions on your fair copy. Dear students, in 18/5/2020 your exam will be conducted and the syllabus of exam already I am sending to you, and we also repeat again the syllabus of exam 18/5/2020 exam, mean, mode and median, quartile. Clear beta? You will prepare for examination mean, median, mode or quartile. Dear students, each day you will prepare one by one topic and all exercise questions of your books you will solve out. If you have any problem, any topic, then you can contact me. My contact number is 9910214225 and you can take all doubts. Clear? So dear students, today you will prepare mean. Clear beta? You will solve all the questions with all methods mean, and if you have any problem in mean, then you can take doubts without any hesitation. Clear beta? So today you will prepare mean. Okay, you will revise mean. Okay, all methods, and you will try the questions with all methods, and you have any doubt, then you can discuss. Clear beta? Today you will prepare mean for examination. Thank you very much.